Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Neewer backdrop support system. So without much ado, let's open and see what we got here. If it's the first time here, kindly subscribe so you get to know when I post more how-to videos. Also give this video a thumbs up. I will truly appreciate. We've already opened the box, and so here it is. If you look inside, you can see the carrying bag, and it's Neewer branded. You can see the registered Neewer trademark, and you can see also the bag has handles, and beneath you can see a green screen. So we expect 3 fabric inside there, backdrops. So we expect the white sheet, the green, and the black. Okay. So this is the first, the black backdrop. So let me open. Okay. Now this looks good. Yeah, as you can see, it has a silk, a silky feel, Yeah, so it has a silky feel, and it's smooth, super smooth, looks good. So let's see the second one. This one is a green screen. Now this one also, it's just similar to the other one. It's similar to the other one. It's equally smooth. Very smooth. And just looking at it, there are no creases. I was expecting lots of creases because of the folding, but I can say they look good. Okay, here is the white one. Equally good. And they are made of 100% pure cotton with good vertical sense, and they seem to be durable because even when you touch the fabric inside, then see this kit comes with clips, 3 clips to be precise. But I thought there could be at least 6 so that you can have others on the edges. You'll see what I mean when I finally set up the backdrop support system. So I think that's it. That's what you have in the box. You can put it aside and proceed to open the bag. And because the support system itself consists of 2 tripods and 4 crossbars. That's what we expect. Yeah. So let's just open this bag and see what we get. You can see. Let's see. The first thing we get here inside the bag is the first tripod. Let me open this paper so you see exactly what we got here. Just touching it, I can feel it's sturdy. Yeah, this seems well built. Okay, it's sturdy. And it has a Neewer branding. That looks good. So let me just open the stands. And it's smooth, I can tell. Yeah, I can feel it exactly. It's smooth, I can feel it. So I just tighten the knob, Now it can just stand, so it's just a stand. Then you see now the others, now you can just open the knobs and adjust the height. Now then it's adjustable. Just now adjust to your desired height. Just tighten the knobs, loosen the knobs, and adjust to your desired height. Actually, this seems it's easy to set up. I can say it's easy to set up. Even if it's your first instance, it's easy to set up. The second tripod, also equally sturdy, well built. Even just touching it, you just feel it's well built. Neewer have done a good job here, and I like that it's just it glides. It's not difficult, It does not resist. It just moves freely, So you can adjust it very easily. Then you just tighten the knob, and then you have your stand. And now you have the crossbars, the 4 crossbars. These are the crossbars. This is the first one. You can see it's smooth, very smooth. And then the interlock. So there are 4, and they interlock to form one crossbar. So that's the second one. And the third one, and this one's interlock. You'll see when I'll be connecting, you'll see how I'll interlock them to form one long bar, one long crossbar. So this is the 4th one and the last one. So there is nothing in the bag. So you see, this is how they interlock. See that side? You just enter inside there, and you twist. Like that. Once you twist, okay, like that. Now when you twist, it has formed one crossbar, and so you do that with the other 2. You form one long crossbar like this. See, now these are the 2. See, like that. I twist. Even if you pull, it can't come out. So now that is one long crossbar. So you just remove You remove the knob. And also one washer. Make sure to leave the other one there, okay? Yeah, like that. So now there is a hole in this crossbar. So you just enter like that. You first of all return the washer, then cross the knob like that, and you tighten. Yeah, just like that. Now you go do similar thing on the other side, and you have your support system. It's not difficult. Yeah, you just do the same thing like we did on the other side. Yeah. Just like that. And now that's how you do it. So now you can set up your fabric using the clips like that. So I'll just, for purposes of this demonstration, I'll use the green screen. So like that's the first clip, and the center in the middle of the bar you can set up the second, because there are only 3. Yeah, like there. Then at the last one you set it like that. Just like that, and that's it. Now you just lift up, you just adjust the height of the support system, and you're good to go. Yeah, you just use those knobs and lift high to adjust like that, and now you just adjust to your desired height according to your project. And that's it. As you can see, that's it. That is the backdrop. The green screen is there. We put on the knobs, and what I was saying is that we would have gotten another clip on the sides to make it, to make it smooth. Yeah, but I like that even before I iron this, the creases are not that pronounced. It is somehow smooth. It looks good. So I'll be buying extra clips so that I can put on the either side, so that it spreads. But still, the spread is good. It looks good. I wasn't expecting this, because I've seen many reviews. Some are so much creased. So I think the fabric was quite good. Yeah. So that's it. Now, if you're just looking for, maybe you want to do photography, you don't want something long, you can just now just insert the bar through the hem like this, and you do exactly like we did, and you have your backdrops. You have your backdrop. Just as easy like this. Yeah, then you proceed to adjust the height. Just adjust your desired height and you're good to go. As you can see, that's the full height. Looks good. It looks good. And the height is good. See, it's touching the roof of my house, so it looks good. We've come to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will truly appreciate it. Also, subscribe to this channel so you get to know when I post more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.